welcome back to another vlog, day in life with 29 Commanders. Today the guys will be doing swimming. I'm just by HMS Drake at the moment, and trust me, the security here is on point. You know, I literally can't video anything outside, so I'm sitting in my car now just doing this quick intro. So from here back down in the swimming pool, I believe the guys are going to spend like an hour and a half or so roughly, and they're going to do the bit there, then get back on camp and crack on with the rest of the day. So today guys, day 4 today. If you haven't seen the video I dropped yesterday, yeah, make sure you go and check it out. It was absolutely buzzing. It was a 4-mile speed march, really good, something different. As I said, I haven't done for a while now, but that was like a wake-up call, let's put it that way. No further ado, I'm just going to go down the swimming pool now. As I said, I can't video anything outside. Beautiful place, really nice and everything. I'm just playing the game. So basically straight from here in the swimming pool, do my bit there and then shoot off. Anyway, let's go. Alright guys, you have seen it, yeah, so this is the end of the vlog. The guys went through the Commando swim test. You know, it is nails, period. You know, the Bergen alone itself, 20 kg, weapon was 11 kg, and rifles as well. I mean, it is hard, you know, I mean, everyone smashed it so far. This wasn't a pass or fail thing, but it's just to see what they need to brush up on. Overall though, they have been successful. I don't see they have any dramas whatsoever when they go down for the actual test itself. As I said guys, day 4 today, yeah, this vlog is going to be short and sweet. I'm just going to sum it up here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's going to be an epic one, so stay tuned. Peace.